Yo. What is up, my JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction? Yeah, today me have a headache, guys. May that hurt me. Got a migraine headache, but me still around it. You see it? Sorry for the delay, for the reactions. Start a new job, like me say. Busy as hell. So, you don't know. Today you see me. We're gonna jump into that one here. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Purging. LD last song when him drop. Me reacted to it. Fumes freestyle. Too much. And then after that, me see people I tell myself to react to the one when him just come out of prison. Me not get round to that one day yet, but I will get onto it. But this one, it's called Purging. My head hurt me. So if you don't see the same energy, then you know this is my head, right? Let's go. Yo, that's that is Natty from the 3 Mile. Natty a bad bumbo clap, man. Natty make hey, Natty bad. Man got viral. Evening.
I've raised some grave diggers and I've raised some lurkers. Them man ain't raised nothing but clowns. Down there come like the circus.
Man I tell you say yo, me raise some grave diggers. Me raise some killers. Them boy they gonna raise clowns over there. So them boy ya clowns, so you gonna raise clown. Me a bad man, I gonna raise bad man. And your mama get it pussy. If you ever ramp putting on me bumbo clat gun, them with deb out ya. Me gonna kill your bumbo clat pussy. Let's go back to the intro now.
I've raised some grave diggers and I've raised some lurkers. Them man ain't raised nothing but clowns. Down there come like the circus. Walked in with 25 fries in the bag, put it right next to the burger. You know how it go on the glide. Give it to Pee-wee, score with a damn. Trap already said that. 21 came home from a setback. Home.
He's back to take his spot. He's back better than before. I'm just assuming because I'd never heard him before he went to prison. He's back. A lot of rappers have some problems to deal with this guy. A lot of rappers gonna have some problems to deal with that brother.
In jail, me and end up stretch that. On road, me and P, we stretch that. Still roll to a show with a guy with a, and you know we don't take chat. No, takes one sec to select that, rise that up, then press that.
You know, so when I ramp with it, it only take 1 second to select it and knock it on you. Anyway, my gun can't go, me now go. The man say, the man say, all when my roll guy, I'm sure. Him still have him think on him. Him not leave him, you can't take him 3 pints. No. You can't kill me like, what's your name, the son? When name again? Yeah, that same boy that we get knocked. You can't kill me like fear, son. No way. You're not right. R.I.P. I tell my mother my condolences. No, me have my gun for me everywhere me there.
In jail, me and end up stretch that. On road, me and P, we stretch that. Still roll to a show with a guy with a, and you know we don't take chat. No, takes 1 sec to select that, rise that up, then press that. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging.
Free up all of the jig of them. Free up all of the nigga them where the police them take. Free up all of the G them where the police them take. That's what the boss are saying, hurting. Because you know, so that crew, that gang was outside lurk, it was outside purging.
Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. Hatchback settings, that's gang members with weapons. One press get him gone in seconds. One rev get me gone in seconds.
Hatchback settings. That's how the gangs of them think that. As a brother say, spin that coup. And you see some hatchback settings, that's some bad. Yo, that you talk bad enough. Him bad, you fuck. Don't take him like him sick.
Gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. hatchback settings. That's gang members with weapons. One press get 'em gone in seconds. One rev get me gone in seconds. Damn. If I get got, we're talking letters. Have you ever swung at a man and you thought that you hit cause you swung and saw some feathers?
Have you ever swung at a man and thought you hit because when you sang you see feathers?
Get 'em gone in seconds. One rev get me gone in seconds. Damn. If I get got, we're talking letters. Have you ever swung at a man and you thought that you hit cause you swung and saw some feathers? But you failed. In jail didn't write no mail. In jail was only the fam, didn't need no friend, didn't need no girl. Armed and dangerous, wild and famous. You know I still beat that 12. Came home still raising hell. Free MSTGI as well. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging. Feds took GI, we hurting. Feds took MA, we hurting. Feds took ST, we hurting. It was us that was outside purging. Guys wanna talk on Cali, but we got sense, they hurting. It was stretch gang out here purging. It was us that was outside purging.
Yo, hear me I say still. Hear me I say. You see the artist here? I like him style. Him dip on drill beats. But he might keep it like original. Him not follow the hype. Him not follow the wall of that. But all of the man when the man do them drill and not go a certain way. Him not do it. Yo, this youth talented, like raw talented, and he's back to take his place. He's gonna give a lot of rappers problems. I'm just saying as it is. I'm gonna give rappers problems. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. You don't know. So me rate you, my G. Big up yourself, bro. Guys, if you don't rate that one, please leave a like in the comment section. Please leave a like on the video. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let's subscribe around there if you're new, man. We are work, man. We are work. And sorry for the delays for the videos, guys. We just not been well and we start a new job and thing. But that's for another story. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright? Peace out.